starting with my Xubi shorts, which I love. Very distressed, cut off on the edges. I'm wearing a custom leather bag, just an artisan handmade. I love these leather bags. This is a box bag that I've had for ages. Very rigid box leather. And I like this just with a white ribbed cami. That one is from Getting Back to Square One, and I love that white cami. The shoes are from the market, and I like them because they're very comfortable. They have the platform, and they're very, very light, which is important. So this is always one of my favorite combos. I feel so much like myself, just tight shorts. And if you are wearing low-waisted shorts like those, then it's nice to wear a fitted shirt. This is another one of my favorites, crochet shorts. These are in an ivory color. I'm carrying my little triangular Fendi bag, and I love this linen shirt. It's a really beautiful color, which is just a hint of lilac with beachy squares. Very comfy. You can combine it with anything, any shirt will do. But this one, I just think it's really flattering. And here I'm wearing some clogs with platform from Swedish Has-Beens that I really like. I often wear this to go for breakfast. It's the kind of outfit, I tend to do this, but this is the kind of thing that I will do in the morning when I have no idea what to wear, and I just want something that I will feel like myself in. Here's a smarter option. So this is a bit longer A-line skirt. This one is from Made in Heaven Jeans. Carrying the same bag. My shoes are also by Swedish Has-Beens. I like these ones a lot because they hold your ankle. They're super comfortable, kind of chunky, so they are not the lightest. They are wood, but they're really comfy, and they help you elongate the legs if you're wearing something a bit longer. And I just love this skirt. I think it looks so feminine. I've been really into the yellow, bright yellow tops. I have an article coming about the color yellow. I feel very strongly about it at the moment. And my denim jacket is my favorite, rag and bone, but I'll leave you a lot of options because everybody makes really good denim jackets. And I like the really bleached ones like this one. Just light. I also like this one because it's soft, but then there's also elements of rigid ones that I like, so no big deal, it's just different. And I like, as you know, wearing headbands a lot. So this just makes it very effortless, cool, easy to wear. It's a comfortable outfit. All of my outfits are comfortable. That's one of my priorities. Next up we have my Chanel Gabrielle bag into the frame first thing. This is a little dress that I got from Isabel Marant Etoile ages ago, and I still really love an easy racer bag or just straps bodycon dress in black. It's slimming, it's comfortable, it's feminine, it's sexy. You can dress it up, you can dress it down, you can wear it at home, you can wear it for dinner. With the clogs, these are some mousse, also from Swedish Has-Beens. I think the black color clogs looks slightly more put together, slightly sexier. So I like this a lot if I'm going out. And I have a couple of dresses like these. I have a couple from Enta Costa. I'll leave you different options below because I don't know they make this one in particular. Here's another shorts outfit, easy one. If you're gonna wear sneakers, then you can most certainly pull off shorts because it never looks too much, especially with sneakers. And I really like these trainers. They are the Stan Smith Bold, which have a bit of a platform. In my opinion, not too much, but just enough to look kind of chunky and cool. And those are my favorite Calvin Klein shorts. High-waisted. I prefer high-waisted shorts actually. They make your legs look longer. So if you're wearing flat shoes, then high-waisted shorts are a good option. And the top was by Uterque. And here I'm wearing a jacket on top, leather jacket. If it's a bit cooler or if you're going out in the morning. The top that I was wearing underneath, by the way, I liked the white straps a lot. Here's my amazing Miu Miu shorts from the first Candy collection that they ever did. And I love those shorts. And this is just a really cute pop, girly crochet top with little shells. I'm wearing my Birkenstock sandals, which are one of the most comfortable. Fendi bag. This is also an outfit that I would feel really comfortable going to the beach or the beach bar. Breakfast, if you're on holiday, then nobody's gonna judge you for not wearing a lot of clothing. So I feel pretty good in this. And I love crochet outfits. I just think they look super nice. Very island-like. And you can't go wrong with silk shorts, especially if they have pop pattern. Here comes Diana once again, dressed the same. This is very typical of me. I'll wear the exact same thing many different times, and then I'll move on. This next one is a combo set outfit that I got the other day at the Armada party, and it's by a local designer, but there's very different variations of people who do this kind of thing. It actually reminds me a lot of the vibe that Miguelina has, although Miguelina's fabrics are more artisan. This is viscose. But I love the blue color, the white. I think it's super summery, easy, feminine, girly, super comfortable with stretchy bands everywhere. Can't go wrong with off shoulder. The skirt is not too short, so it's a good one. It's another one. I am wearing it with mules, which I always like wearing those mules. They're by an artisan from London. And here is a maxi dress. I really like maxi dresses. This is one in what I call Malibu pink, which is an azalea blue pink with a flower print. And this is a wrap dress. And I just think they always look super feminine. They're really easy to pack. They don't take up a lot of space. And you can dress them up or down. You can go to breakfast, you can go anywhere. And you're always appropriate, you know, because you're covered. You're never going to feel out of place or observed like you would if you are showing your leg. Or between women, I find this really accepted, whereas some women will look at you a bit like, I hate you, if you're showing a lot of skin. And this is just as sexy, just as feminine, and you can never go wrong. So this is the last of my runway outfits. Hopefully I gave you a nice template, and there's many variations that you can put this together in. Heels, no heels, sneakers, sandals. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want more videos, like me so I know you're there, and I'll see you soon.